Programming is the language of the future. Whether you're building apps, training AI, or designing the next big website, the tools you choose matter. In today's video, we're counting down the top 7 programming languages in 2025, the ones every developer should know or at least understand. Let's get started. At number 7, we have Swift. Swift is Apple's programming language for iOS, macOS, and even watchOS. With millions of iPhones sold every year, demand for Swift developers remains high. The language is known for being safe, modern, and incredibly fast. If you're interested in mobile app development, especially for Apple's ecosystem, Swift is a must-have skill. Next up at number 6 is C#, a versatile language from Microsoft. C# powers everything from desktop software to web apps using .NET, and it's also the backbone of Unity, one of the world's most popular game engines. If you've ever dreamed of creating video games or enterprise-level applications, C# is your go-to choice. Number 5 goes to C++. Even though it's been around for decades, C++ is still one of the most powerful programming languages out there. It's used in high-performance applications like operating systems, browsers, game engines, and financial trading systems. While it's not always beginner-friendly, mastering C++ gives you a deep understanding of how software interacts with hardware. Coming in at number 4 is Java. Known for its slogan, "Write once, run anywhere," Java has been the king of cross-platform development for years. It's widely used in Android development, back-end systems, and even in large-scale enterprise applications. Banks, airlines, and governments all rely heavily on Java. And in 2025, Java isn't going anywhere. Stability and reliability keep it relevant. Number 3 is JavaScript, the language of the web. If you've ever used the internet, which of course you have, you've interacted with JavaScript. It makes websites interactive, powers frameworks like React and Angular, and is now even used on the back end with Node.js. With the rise of full-stack development, knowing JavaScript opens the door to building anything from dynamic websites to complex server applications. Runner-up at number 2 is Python. Famous for its simplicity and readability, Python is often the first language new developers learn. But don't be fooled. Python is a powerhouse behind machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, and even automation. In 2025, Python remains one of the most in-demand languages for careers in AI and scientific research. If you want to work with data or explore artificial intelligence, Python is the language to master. And finally, at number 1, we have Rust. Rust is fast, memory-safe, and designed for the future. Companies like Microsoft, Amazon, and Mozilla have all embraced Rust for building secure and reliable systems. In fact, parts of the Linux kernel are now being written in Rust. Developers love it because it combines the performance of C++ with modern safety features, making it the rising star of 2025. Expect Rust to play an even bigger role in software development in the coming years. So, there you have it. The top 7 programming languages in 2025. Swift, C#, C++, Java, JavaScript, Python, and Rust. Each has its strengths, and the best one for you depends on your career goals. Do you want to build mobile apps, dive into AI, or create the next big game? The choice is yours. If you enjoyed this countdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech and programming content, and let me know in the comments. Which programming language are you learning this year? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.